Hello everyone, I wanted to make this brief video to show you some additional features or some additional tools that you can use with Google Slides. We spent some nice time making some slide presentations. You might have already realized this, but perhaps you didn't. I wanted to show you this. Here's a slide presentation that I'm using when I discuss this book by David Haddock and Fisher called Washington's Crossing. So when I go to present, if I click down this little arrow here, I go to presenter view, which is really kind of a new feature the past few months, which is really kind of nice. This pops up and you have these audience tools, which are really awesome. You can use like your speaker notes. You can put notes here for every slide, but the audience tools are really kind of cool. So what happens here is that individuals, as they're watching your slideshow, can actually post questions or post comments, and you can decide to like let those comments be viewable and answer them during a slide presentation. So if I say start new, now I'm accepting just from my clearance folks, but I can turn that off. All right, and I could also make it so anyone can do this, and I say okay, and then if this will be posted now. Okay, so as they're watching the actual show, you can ask a question. So people can actually go to this website right from their phone or their browser, and if they have a device with them, from an iPad or whatever the case may be, and then they can post some questions. And then as the questions come up, you go back to the presenter view. Okay, they'll pop up here. You can decide to actually click on them and make them visible, or you can actually just answer them. So it says questions will appear here, but you can even have students just post a comment, an idea, like a brainstorming idea. And it's a nice way to kind of make the slideshow a little more interactive. There's also this laser pointer here. I don't know if you even noticed it, where you can kind of do some kind of wild things with all of this during the presentation. So just kind of a neat little thing to actually use. Another thing I want to show you is this really wonderful site called Carnival, slidescarnival.com. These are free templates for Google Slide presentations. These are awesome. I have my students use them all the time. So again, you can have all these different kind of presentation templates, which are really kind of neat. And then they have them broken down by simple and playful and business. Okay, so you can kind of here's simple templates, and you can kind of go through them, and they have some really great aspects here that are really nice. So the ones that Google provides for you are fine, but if you really want to get a little more creative, like these creative templates, then you can actually use these as well. So this is really kind of nice. So we just click on this one, comes up. Sort of a business presentation template, and all you say is use this template, and it comes up for you, and here's your template. So you got to copy it first though, because it's in view only, so you actually make a copy of it, and then now it's actually yours and you're good to go. It says instructions for use, which is kind of neat. Give you some instructions here, okay? And it's sort of a really nice thing to actually use with your students. So they have them all the time. They could erase slides, or they can use these graphic organizers and insert things, and they could erase different ones and use as they like. So a lot of fun with this. All right, so hope you enjoy this. Hope this adds some further thought to how you might use these with your own students. Okay, have a great day. Thank you.